How to speed up Windows 11 in 5 minutes. Complete beginner guide. Eyes your Windows 11 computer feeling slow or unresponsive. Applications take too long to open, animations feel laggy, and your system doesn't feel as fast as it used to.
Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to speed up Windows 11 in just 5 minutes using simple and safe methods that anyone can follow. First, let's disable unnecessary startup apps. Many programs start automatically when you turn on your PC, and this can significantly slow down boot time and performance.
To fix this, right-click on the Start button and open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Here, you'll see a list of apps that start with Windows. Disable apps you don't need immediately, such as game launchers or chat apps.
This alone can make a big difference. Next, let's reduce visual effects.
Windows 11 looks great, but animations and effects use system resources. To adjust this, open Settings, go to System, then click About, scroll down and select Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click Settings, choose the option Adjust for Best Performance or manually turn off animations you don't need.
This helps Windows run smoother, especially on lower-end PCs.
Now, let's free up disk space. A full storage drive can slow down your system. Open Settings, go to System, and click Storage. Enable Storage Sense to automatically remove temporary files and clear the recycle bin.
You can also manually delete temporary files by clicking Temporary Files and removing items you no longer need. Another quick step is to check background apps.
Some apps continue running in the background even when you're not using them. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Click on apps you don't use often, open Advanced Options, and set background app permissions to Never.
This helps free up memory and CPU usage. Next, make sure your system is up to date.
Microsoft regularly releases updates that improve performance and fix bugs. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and check for updates. Installing the latest updates can make your system faster and more stable.
Finally, restart your computer. This may sound simple, but restarting clears temporary memory, stops background processes, and refreshes the system.
Many performance issues can be fixed with a proper restart.
After following these steps, your Windows 11 PC should feel noticeably faster and more responsive.
These quick optimizations don't require any technical skills and can be done in just a few minutes.
If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.